evening to everyone. I am Dr. Kiran Jaiswal, Chemistry Associate Professor, Chemistry Department, Buddha PG College, Kushinagar. My topic is the structure of metal carbonyl. Yesterday I have discussed about the structure of the two metal carbonyl, that is the nickel tetracarbonyl and the chromium hexacarbonyl. Now today I will discuss about the next structure of the metal carbonyl, which is the syllabus of the BSc third year students, that is the structure of the iron pentacarbonyl. That is the structure of iron. This is the iron pentacarbonyl. 5 molecule iron pentacarbonyl. First of all, we write the electronic configuration of iron. Iron has the 26 atomic number. The electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6, 10, 13, 20, 20. Iron is the d6 system. Iron is the, in the d orbital there are the 6 electrons, so it is called as the d6 system. Iron in picture form Kal 3s2, 3p6, 3d, 4s and 4p. 3d 6 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4s 2 electron. Ground state electronic configuration. This is the ground state electronic configuration. This is the ground state electronic configuration of the iron. Iron in iron pentacarbonyl will be four s 4p, 3d 4s 4p, and this is the electron donated by 5CO molecule. CO. The hybridization will be the this is the DsP3 hybridization. DsP3 hybridization, all the electrons are paired, so it is the structure will be the trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal diamagnetic molecule will be the diamagnetic. The electronic configuration of the atomic number of iron is 26. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. The iron in ground state electronic configuration in the picture form 3d, 4s and 4p. Iron in iron pentacarbonyl, the energy of the 3d and 4s orbital is the same, so the 4s electron move into the 3d orbital, the 4s electron move into the 3d orbital, and there will be the pairing. So 6 electron this and 2 electron, 8 electron, 2, 4, 6, 8 electron. This will be paired, and there will be the 5 vacant orbital, 1 3d, 1 4s and 3 4p orbital. These 5 orbital of the different energy hybridize and give the dsp3 hybrid orbital of the equivalent energy. This dsp3 hybrid orbital of equivalent energy, they accommodate a lone pair of electron from the 5 CO molecule and forms the dsp3 hybridization. The structure will be the trigonal bipyramidal, and all the electrons are paired, so it will molecule with the diamagnetic. The structure can be written as in this form. The structure of iron pentacarbonyl. The structure of iron pentacarbonyl can be written as this. CO, 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 CO. This is the coordinate form. The 5 CO donate each CO donate the one lone pair of electron to the iron atom, and this is the structure. This bond length is 1.797 angstrom, and this bond length is 1.8 angstrom. 1.81 angstrom. The structure will be the dsp3 hybridization, trigonal bipyramidal, trigonal bipyramidal structure, and diamagnetic molecule. Molecule will be the diamagnetic. This is the iron pentacarbonyl. This is the iron pentacarbonyl, structure of the iron pentacarbonyl. Next is the di-iron enia carbonyl. The structure of di-iron enia carbonyl. Structure of di-iron enia, ENNEA, enia carbonyl. This will be the Fe2. This will be the Fe2CO9 di-iron. This is the di-iron enia carbonyl. Fe2CO9 di-iron enia carbonyl. The di-iron enia carbonyl. By the X-ray analysis, it has been found that this di-iron enia carbonyl has the following structure: Fe, CO, One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are the 9 carbonyl and 2 iron atom. The bond length is the 2.46 angstrom and 4.26 angstrom, and this is the 1.8 angstrom. 1.8 angstrom. The X-ray analysis shows that it has the cluster of iron, and cluster of iron, and there are the two iron atom bonded by the bond, covalent bond, and each iron atom this is the terminal hydrogen atom, this is the terminal CO group, this is the terminal ligand, this is the terminal, there is the 3 terminal ligand, and there is the 3 terminal ligand, and there is the 3 bridging ligand, 1, 2 and 3 bridging ligand. The iron bond length is the 2.46 angstrom, and iron carbon bond length is the 1.8 angstrom. This is the structure of the Fe2CO9. Now the structure of the tri-iron. Now the structure of the tri-iron, tri-iron dodeca carbonyl, Fe3CO12. Structure of tri-iron dodeca carbonyl. It has the cluster of the iron, and by X-ray analysis, the structure of Fe3CO12 can be written as it is in the structure of the Fe2CO9. One of the bridging CO ligand has been replaced by the FeCO4. It can be written as this: Fe O this is this CO, and this is the in case of Fe2CO9 diiron carbonyl, there is the one bridging ligand. There is also CO group. In this case, one of the CO group is replaced by the FeCO4. CO. This is the structure of the 2.8 and angstrom. 2.8 angstrom. The iron bond length is the 2.8 angstrom. Here, there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the structure of the Fe3CO9. So it is the cluster of the iron in which in the structure of the Fe2CO9, one of the bridging group CO group is replaced by the FeCO4 group, and the iron bond length is the 2.8 angstrom. This is the structure of the Fe3CO12. Now we will see the structure of the structure of the 3 iron pentacarbonyl, iron diiron carbonyl, and tri-iron dodecacarbonyl. Now we will see the structure of dimanganese decacarbonyl. The structure of the dimanganese decacarbonyl. What is the structure of the dimanganese decacarbonyl? In this case, there is the manganese bond, and this case there is the no bridging CO group. Each by the manganese there is the manganese bond, and each manganese is surrounded by the 5 CO molecule. In this case, the D2sp3 hybridization, for example, atomic number 25, Kal 3s2 3p 6, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4s, 4p, 3d, 4s, 4p. This is the D5 system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This the electronic configuration of manganese can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5, 10, 18, 20, 25. This is the D5 system. 5 in the d orbital there is the 5 electron, and in the s orbital there is the 2 electron. Magnesium dimanganese decacarbonyl Kl. This is the ground state electron configuration. Kl 3s2, 3p6, 4s, 4p, 3d, 4s, 4p. The energy of the 3d and 4s orbital will be the same, nearly same, though. So the 4s electron move into the 3d orbital and they are prepared. 5 to 7, 2, 4, 6, 5 to 7, 6. And there is the 5, D2sp3 hybridization. In this case, there is the D2sp3 hybridization, and there is the this is the diamagnetic D2sp3 hybridization, and diamagnetic structure will be the octahedral diamagnetic. This is the symbol of the octahedral. The structure will be the octahedral, and diamagnetic molecule will be the diamagnetic, because all the electrons are paired. This is the electron of the one manganese atom, half filled manganese atom overlaps with the another manganese atom, which also contains the one unpaired electron and forms the two bond. It can be written as this: manganese 3d 4s 4p, 3d 4s 4p, 3d 3d this is another manganese molecule, and this is the manganese bond, and this is the 5CO. This is the CO, 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 CO. Here, this is the electronic, it is the very important structure of the dimanganese decacarbonyl. This is the ground state electronic configuration. Manganese in the dimanganese decacarbonyl. Here the energy of the s and d orbital is nearly the same. So the electron from the s orbital move into the d orbital, and the pairing is there will be the pairing. So these electron will pair. There is the one electron of the manganese atom. There are the two manganese atom. One electron, one half filled electron of the manganese atom overlaps with the other half filled orbital of the manganese atom and forms the bond between manganese bond. And each manganese is surrounded by the 5CO ligand and 5CO ligand, and there is the D2. This is the D2sp3 hybrid. There each manganese has the 6 hybrid orbital, one D 2D and 1 4s and 3 4p. So it is the D2sp3 hybridization, and the structure will be the octahedral, and all the electrons are paired, so it will be the diamagnetic. The structure can be written as, the structure of dimanganese decacarbonyl can be written as the structure of dimanganese decacarbonyl can be written as CO, 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 CO. This is the electron donated by carbonyl group, carbonyl CO ligand. R, the structure will be also this. CO, 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 CO. This is the coordinate bond, electron donated by the 5 CO molecule. This is the manganese bond. So in this case, each manganese atom is surrounded by the 5 CO group, and there is the one electron of the manganese atom which is shown in the figure overlaps with the another orbital which also contains the half filled orbital of the manganese atom and forms the bond. So each manganese atom has the is surrounded by the 6 orbital. So it is the D2sp3 hybridization, and all the bond will be the paired, so it will be diamagnetic, and the structure will be the octahedral. So dimanganese decacarbonyl, the structure will be the octahedral. This is the structure of the dimanganese decacarbonyl. Sorry, dimanganese decacarbonyl, Mn2CO10. Now you see the structure of the CO2, CO8. Structure of CO2, CO8, dicobalt octacarbonyl. Dicobalt octacarbonyl. The dicobalt octacarbonyl, it has the following structure: CO, 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 3, 6, 7, 8. This is the structure of the dicobalt octacarbonyl. Here, the dicobalt octacarbonyl occurs in the solution. The dicobalt octacarbonyl occurs in the 2 isomeric form. One isomeric form is similar to that in the solid state. It has the 2 bridging group, and the other form has the no bridging group, and it occurs at the high temperature. Both forms are in equilibrium with each other. It can be written as this: CO, CO3, CO, 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 CO. Bridging group present. BRIDGING, bridging group present. Bridging group present. This is isomeric equilibrium with CO4, CO4. This is the no breathing group. No BGING, no breathing group present. This is the structure of the dicobalt octacarbonyl. Here, in the solution form, the dicobalt octacarbonyl exists in the two isomeric form. One form is similar to that in the solid state, and it has the two breathing group. This is the solid state in the breathing group, and the other form has the no breathing group. This is no breathing group, and both forms are isomeric in the it occurs at the high temperature, and both forms are equilibrium with each other. This is the breathing group of the breathing group present, CO breathing group present, and there is the no breathing. This is the terminal carbonyl, and this is the breathing carbonyl. So in solid state, the breathing group, this breathing group structure will be this, and in the solution, the structure in the solution, this structure will be this. This is the structure of the dicobalt octacarbonyl. So this is the structure of the metal carbonyl.